Well, even though the winds of Tropical Storm Beryl haven't increased throughout the day, we've gradually seen some structural changes that indicate it is getting ready to strengthen. And the main one being, see how the center is kind of exposed earlier this morning, just out and about in the surface? Well, look at all that cloud cover starting to bubble up around that center. That's indicating a little bit more moisture, a little bit more storm activity near the center of the storm. And that is what is going to help allow it to strengthen, because it's in an environment that is favorable for development right now. Some dry air starting to taper off, though. The system is tapping into a little bit more moisture now, but the biggest story is that wind shear is low, indicated by these reds and these yellows around the center of the storm. And that means there's just a favorable environment for this storm to strengthen, which is why we still expect it to become a Category 1 or potentially a weak Category 2 hurricane before landfall sometime overnight and tomorrow morning. And that will likely be around the Matagorda Bay area, and that would put areas like Bay City and Galveston on the dirty side of the storm, on that right side of the storm. And there is a hurricane warning in effect from around Corpus Christi up towards Bay City, with 74-mile-per-hour sustained winds possible or higher. Tropical storm warnings in effect for Houston and Galveston, and we could see 40-mile-per-hour winds sustained or higher there. But now our storm surge warning goes all the way from Corpus Christi up towards Galveston Bay, up towards Beaumont, so all the way towards the border with Louisiana, and that is for 4 to 7 feet of storm surge possible tomorrow morning as the storm moves through. And we can see Beryl's future wind gusts. Those tropical storm force winds start making it ashore in the next couple of hours. That landfall, this model predicts around 2 a.m. near Port Lavaca. And then notice Houston starts getting in on those wind gusts, upwards of 50, 60 miles per hour around sunrise tomorrow as the storm continues north, crossing I-10 around that morning commute, going into areas like College Station by the middle part of the day. Houston still getting in on those winds through midday. But as we go into what this storm will look like rain-wise, well, moving northwards towards, again, Port Lavaca, around there for that landfall overnight tonight, and that'll bring that rain into Houston throughout the day tomorrow. And those feeder bands continue according to this model. So how much rain is coming to parts of Texas? In areas like Lake Jackson, as much as 10 inches. Houston itself, around 4 or 5 inches. College Station could pick up on half a foot of rain as well. So looking locally, our only impact through early part of the week is a high rip current risk that exists across the Big Bend.